Hello everyone. So let's just see the process of exporting ITR balance sheet and P&L to Winman software. So what is the process? So there are actually three things involved. One is the balance sheet automation tool, second one is Winman software, and third one is Excel template of ITR given by Winman software. So you first need to download that Excel template of Winman. So just come to the Winman software, go to the ITR 3 data entry. In case you are using ITR 5 partnership form data, then use ITR 5 data entry form. Just come to the ITR P&L. First, select checkbox yes for manufacturing account. You need to select yes for this ITR manufacturing account. Now just on top of that column, if you see there is a symbol of Excel. Click on that. There is an option of export P&L and balance sheet. You need to export this without data. So once you export this, you will get one Excel file that is the ITR 3 or ITR 5 format of Winman software. You need to save it. Now come to the balance sheet automation tool. Come to ITR balance sheet. There, if you just go down, there are two tabs available. One is the file path and another one is file name. In the file path, you need to mention where that particular file you have saved. That is basically Winman software's blank template where you have saved, that you need to mention. And just below that, you need to mention the file name. You need to mention file name with extension. And over here, in case of Winman, the extension is .xlsm. You need to mention this with extension. Just after that, you can click on export ITR to Winman. Just when you click on that, your ITR, all the detail of ITR balance sheet, P&L, trading and manufacturing account will get exported into the Excel format of Winman. Now you save that particular file, come to again Winman software, just come to the ITR data entry form, click on Excel symbol, and there is a second option, import P&L and balance sheet. As in when you click on that, it will ask you to tell the path where you have saved the file. Just mention the file path, file name, and then continue. Your entire data from that particular Excel will get imported into this Winman software. So your entire process of manual feeding or manually writing that ITR balance sheet and P&L is just get automated within a few seconds. All right. Thank you.